Hope everyone's well. Today I'm here to teach you a trick that can help you in your studies or office activities. Most of us are always working and trying to record the screen on our laptop or PC, but we end up using any third-party recorders. So today I'm going to teach you how to use the Windows inbuilt screen recorder. First of all, in order to record the screen, you need to press the Windows key, the alternate key, and the R key together, like this. This has started the recording. Now it's recording, and you can record your audio and video as well at the same time using this recorder. If you want to stop the recording, you can click on this, or you can just press the same keys again, Windows Alt Record. Now the recording has been saved. In order to view the recording, you need to go to your file manager, go to your videos and to the capture folder, and you will find all the videos that you have saved here. From here you can play the videos as you like using VLC or other video players. You can also take screenshots of the screen using the same method. Now for screenshots you need to press Windows Alt Print Screen. This will take a screenshot and save it in the same folder, making it easier for you to take screenshots and record videos with ease. Thanks everyone. That's all.